Good morning to all of you. Today I want to discuss about the salt. Salts are the chemical compound which is formed by the combination of acids and base. Metal atom of base replace the hydrogen atom from the acid, then salt and water is formed. I mean, when acid reacts with the base, salt and water is formed. These salts are of different kinds and nature. This depends upon the constant elements like acids and base. Salts of chlorides are called the chloride salt. Similarly, we get the salt of different kind like sulfate, nitrate, phosphate, acetate and many more like this. When a strong acid and weak base combine together to form the salt which is of acidic in nature, which creates the different effect on different indicators. Since it is acidic in nature, so it turns blue litmus to red. Here HCl is a strong acid and sodium hydroxide is also the strong base which form the neutral salt, which molecular formula is NaCl, which is also called the common salt and which is also used in our kitchen. Its major source is seawater. When seawater is collected in a particular area and allow it to vaporize, the remaining substances salt are obtained. These salts contain a different kinds of other salts also, because a numbers of rivers goes and fall into the sea which carry a different kinds of the salt as it passes through the different towns and cities. So the salt obtained from the seawater is not usable directly. It has to first pass through the different steps and process to make it usable. And when it becomes usable, it is supplied among us. On the other hand, a strong acid and weak base produce the salt which is acidic in nature, and weak acid and a strong base produce the salt which is basic in nature. The salt which is acidic or basic in nature have the different effect on different kinds of indicators. Some common family of chloride salts are sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, aluminum chloride, zinc chloride, potassium chloride, etc. Similarly, the family of salt belonging to sulfate are sodium sulfate, potassium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, aluminum sulfate, ammonium sulfate. Similarly, sodium nitrate, potassium nitrate, aluminum nitrate, etc. These salts are of different kinds because these are formed by the combining of different acids and different base. In formation of salt, only two constant acids and bases are needed. The salt obtained from different kind or different kinds of acid and base are of different use. The common salt, which we call sodium chloride and which molecular formula is NaCl, is also of great use. It is used in our cooking purposes. In many of the cook, it is used to grow the flavor, and without it complete composition and mixing of different constituents of the food cannot be done. So to mixing the properly and growing the flavor of our food, this salt is necessary. So different kinds of the food materials are prepared by this common salt. These salt are also used in formation of sodium hydroxide, sodium sulfate, sodium nitrate, drugs, dyes, fertilizer, and a few more like this. I want to also discuss about the rock salt. Rock salt, which is found on the earth crust or under the earth. Like the coal mines, salt mines are also found. We dug and take it out by mining it. These are called the rock salt, and whose molecular formula is also NaCl. These are called the neutral salt because its pH value is 7 and it has not any effect on any kinds of litmus paper. The salt which is acidic in nature, whose pH value falls between 7 to 14. 7 to 14, the pH value of salt are basic in nature, and less than 7, pH value of salt is acidic in nature. So the salt either basic in nature or acidic in nature, note is of more beneficial, especially for eating. So for eating purposes we use the neutral salt. I think some idea about the salt is now get formed, and in next video I shall talk about the changes which occur around us. The changes either in their physical property or their in chemical properties which always occur around us, I shall discuss in next video. If you like this video, subscribe it by pushing the bell button so my next coming video will reach you soon. Thank you.